Welcome to Sri Ram Medical College. Today we will explore Diagnostic Lab Technician Challenges, Overcoming Common Obstacles in the Medical Field. As the population ages, there will be a greater demand for diagnostic services and preventative health checks. That's because health concerns appear to increase annually on a global scale. The pathology sector is thus making significant progress towards streamlined growth, to the advantage of its ultimate customers, the patients. However, because of the way clinical laboratories have traditionally operated, they aren't always able to fully meet their clients' expectations. Most medical labs simply cannot do more to better their patients' overall experience. It's possible this is due to a shortage of resources, such money or people. However, lab inconsistent spending, slow processing, and poor service impact lab earnings. Thus, lab administration issues prevent the company's growth by reducing revenue. Your medical laboratory is an important part of the diagnostic process. The information you uncover needs to be spot on, up to date, and of practical use. Make sure your lab is always operating at peak efficiency, speed, and safety if you want to provide your clients with the finest potential outcomes. They may run into issues that slow down output if they haven't received adequate training on the methodologies and processes related to the work they'll be doing in the lab. The standard approach of patient data management is the greatest challenge in healthcare. Patient records and other medical information must be organized and maintained as part of these duties. Even if all financial records are available online rather than on paper or disorganized Excel spreadsheets, the accuracy of the end reporting remains paramount. For a lab that gathers samples from several sites, the time and resources needed to create a daily collection report grows dramatically. Due to human mistake, more lab supplies go missing, and more money disappears without a trace. You can get software for managing a lab that gives you daily financial oversight of multiple labs. It provides correct year balances and the latest center-wide monetary advancements. Data-driven funding reduces waste and improves accounting. Paper and Excel patient records slow down clinical laboratory. Employees tire of scanning through documents for precise information. Human inaccuracy in manually input data may affect medical care. Finding the monthly volume from a partner or collecting center in unorganized stacks takes effort. Data management mistakes slow processing. Team members must communicate during these times. Every lab, regardless of size, struggles with turnaround times. Pathology centers that use external processing facilities take longer to provide lab test results. Patients wait longer. Implementing a laboratory information management system, LIMS, is the most straightforward method of reducing processing times. LIMS record the time from sample collection to result interpretation. SMS, email, and mobile apps also speed up digital test findings for patients. If you adopt these changes, you'll be able to fix most of the issues plaguing your lab, cut down on logistical costs and improve the patient experience. Staff shortages and unskilled workers plague many specialized labs. New hire training takes time and money away from profit-making projects. As if their already exhausting schedules weren't full enough, lab techs frequently take on extra shifts to make ends meet. This might lead to exhaustion and resignation on the part of the workforce. Labs need lab technicians to carry out the day-to-day tasks that are crucial to the operation of the lab. They rarely interact with higher management due to lab isolation. This may lead to miscommunication and dissatisfied employees. If management and technicians can have open and frequent communication, tensions will decrease and output will increase. Managers might make better choices if they knew more about the day-to-day work of lab techs. It could be a hassle to keep track of the things you use on a regular basis. Incorrectly recording usage, waste, and stock expiration dates can lead to a chronic revenue shortfall that is even tougher to trace. To maintain efficiency, monitor hazardous materials and identify process flaws. Install a tool to track your stock in real time for improved management. This inventory management system automates manual chores and reminds you to change lab supplies, saving you time. Leaks that were previously impossible to stop are now properly addressed. For the sake of their customers, lab technicians are constantly being pushed to increase their productivity and precision. They are continually interrupted by other medical staff while being unable to hasten the receipt of their test results. As a result, tensions will increase between them. It's important for lab staff to be able to explain their work to other medical experts so that they can better collaborate. Laboratory workers make constant modifications. The rate of business activity can be slow one minute and extremely high the next due to a large number of requests for tests. Working conditions here require stamina and flexibility. The lab team is trained to work under pressure and give reliable results promptly. The work is not easy, though. Lab technicians have several daily tasks, which can be stressful. The collection, organization, and preservation of specimens are cornerstone laboratory procedures. As the number of samples requiring processing grows, so does your workload. Not to mention the trouble of detecting and managing such enormous sums whether supplied by or received from a third-party customer. When medical records are delayed, service quality falls. That's why clinical laboratory management needs quality assurance data. Barcoding samples upon collection speeds outsourcing and processing. Linking your analyzers to the lab software lets you diagnose patients instantly. Talking a good game is different from doing it. Complete inventory management software with a barcode scanner can swiftly resolve lab management concerns. Inadequate administration and coordination of data between pathology departments is a direct outcome of staffing shortages. Technicians accept patient results without a doctor, which can compromise lab safety. Most workers are untrained and make mistakes. Without proper care and attention, a laboratory's credibility could be severely damaged if vital patient medical records and sensitive information about their health are neglected. Cloud-based LIMS is widely accessible. This LIMS addresses all lab issues. Employees should have their own password-protected cloud-based LIMS accounts. Create and update medical records digitally. Your personal data is protected, sorted, and distributed accurately, ensuring accurate results for all parties. Cloud-based LIMS let administrators track accession details and secure data. Accurate and up-to-date records of all financial data flowing through a lab's activities are essential for creating bills, settlements, and invoices for B2B clients on a regular basis. Thus, continual data storage is essential. Clerical and financial management blunders can damage critical customer connections. Giving B2B clients cloud-based LIMS logins is smart. A central dashboard lets you track sample processing and results for each sample. This way, you won't miss a payment and can catch billing issues before they become serious issues. This lab program makes credit redemption easy and mass. Managing various lab facilities and finding paperwork might be tough. This is typical in labs but easily fixed. Remote interface systems provide 24/7 data access. This monitoring might reveal your company's strengths and weaknesses. Data loss usually results from maintenance issues, power outages, and disengaged staff. Patient information, bills, and invoices must be protected from these dangers. Data backup to the cloud works. Cloud storage protects and simplifies file access. Join Shri Ram Medical College and take the first step toward a successful career in medical laboratory technology. We are here to assist you in launching your career as a medical lab technician. Call us at 9968193009 for more information about our program or to submit an application right away. Shri Ram Medical College, nurturing next generation of healthcare leaders, and offers all paramedical courses at competitive fee and helps in 100% placement assistance. Admission open. For more information, please visit our website shriramcollege.com and like, share, subscribe our YouTube channel Shri Ram Medical College. Good luck, goodbye.